Are you in search of a secure and cost-effective cloud solution for your business? Look no further. Introducing Cloud in a Box, a comprehensive hybrid cloud solution that serves businesses of all types, from startups, small businesses, businesses looking to expand, and even medium and large corporations. Seamlessly integrating public and private cloud servers, this solution brings you the best of both worlds. The cherry on top? It's not just about the technology, it's about the convenience and lower costs. You can have a fully operational hybrid cloud environment up and running in just 2 days. With Cloud in a Box, you are not just investing in technology, but also ensuring a secure future for your business. Wondering what makes our Cloud in a Box so special? It's all about our state-of-the-art technology. At its heart is the Nutanix AHV Prism software, a robust platform that enables seamless management of your cloud infrastructure. But it doesn't stop there. We offer a range of server options from the likes of HP, Dell, Nutanix, Cisco, and Lenovo, allowing you to select the best fit for your business needs. Our advanced technology ensures your business gets the best of the public and private clouds. Why should your business choose Cloud in a Box? Let's explore the benefits. This all-in-one solution is cost-effective, typically paying for itself in just 7 months. It offers robust security features including easy backup and disaster recovery, providing peace of mind and protection for your valuable data. But it's not just about saving costs. It's about providing a robust, secure cloud solution that can be customized to meet the unique needs of your business. Cloud in a Box not only saves you costs, provides a secure and safe environment, it allows you to focus your business on what you do best and not have to worry about managing your data. Ready to take your business to the next level with Cloud in a Box? It's as easy as a click. Head over to khtechcloud.com, your one-stop destination for all things hybrid cloud. Whether you wish to learn more, make a purchase, or talk to one of our expert hybrid cloud specialists, we've got you covered. We'll have a specialist get back to you within 24 hours so you can get started today.